Well, hey guys, welcome back. My name's Sean and today we're going to be looking at a full install graphics for the KTM Super Duke GT. I've been sent a whole graphics set for my bike from MotoProWorks. Now they're a company based in America, but they've worked all across the pond in Sweden, as far as Sweden. So they've been printing and designing graphics for many years, and they are a licensed partner now for KTM and Husqvarna. That's something to bear in mind. That's the only two brands that they design and print for. So they've sent me a full set of graphics for my 1290 Super Duke GT. So we're going to be installing these on the bike very shortly. Now I'm really keen to see how this is going to look. I was kind of a bit skeptish about it because it is a lot of stickers and it is a bit daunting, and if you're not sort of patient or you've got an eye for that sort of thing, then do give it to somebody else to install it for you. I'm going to give it a shot because I've wrapped a lot of stuff on my bike with carbon vinyl and that's pretty fiddly, so I'm going to give it a bash myself. But I do need to wash the bike before I start. Now you do need to make sure that when you wash it, you don't use any solvents, any waxes or any silicone based polishes, etc. Just give it a wash over with water, which is probably what I'm going to do, and then clean each surface that you're going to stick them to with some cleaning alcohol, just to make sure there's any fat or any residue on the surface, that you get the full adhesion. Now once I've stuck them all on there, you need to leave them for 24 hours to make sure you get the full adhesion. Now this is a full set of graphics, so it's going to completely change the look of the bike, as I said before, which I'm really excited to get on it. So what I'm going to do now is get the bike outside, get it washed, get it cleaned, get it outside and start installing it. So wish me luck, let's hope for the best and hope we don't make a big hash of it. Catch you in a bit. you go guys, that is the install finished. I really had a blast installing it. Now I didn't install every single sticker that came in the kit. Some of them, this one for example, that goes on your screen, which I didn't think was necessary, and there's a few other bits and bobs. Now it does come as a full kit, and as far as I know they don't sell them individually. But for those of you who are wondering if you get the pannier stickers with it, you do. These are the decals for the panniers. Now I don't have the panniers, so obviously they didn't go on, so I've not used the entire kit, but 90% of the kit has gone on the bike. So hopefully that has been of interest to you. I really had a blast doing it. I think I'm really happy with how it looks. The bike looks absolutely fantastic. So if you are interested, links are in the description below to the website, so do check them out if you're keen and interested to do something like that on your bike. So that's it for today. Take care, and I'll catch you next time. Ride safe.